Welcome! In this video, you'll learn common English phrases that people use every day. These expressions will help you speak more naturally and confidently in daily conversations. I'm on my way. I am coming now.
Don't worry, I'm on my way.
Take your time. No hurry.
Take your time, I'll wait.
It's up to you. You decide.
Where should we eat?
It's up to you.
I'll think about it. I will decide later.
Do you want to join us?
I'll think about it.
That makes sense. I understand. It is logical.
Oh, that makes sense now.
I don't feel like it. I don't want to do it.
Do you want to go out?
I don't feel like it.
You've got a point. You are right.
You've got a point. We should leave early.
I'm not sure. I don't know for sure.
Are you coming tomorrow?
I'm not sure.
Just a moment. Wait a short time.
Just a moment, please.
Let me check. I will look and confirm.
Is the shop open?
Let me check.
Go with the flow. Accept things as they happen.
I don't have a plan. I'll just go with the flow.
In the same boat, in the same situation.
We're all tired. We're in the same boat.
Take it easy. Relax. Don't stress.
You look tired. Take it easy.
Get the hang of it. Learn how to do something.
It's hard at first, but you'll get the hang of it.
Back to square one. Start again from the beginning.
The plan failed. We're back to square one.
Cut to the chase. Say the important part quickly.
Cut to the chase. What's the problem?
No big deal. Not important.
Sorry, I'm late. No big deal.
On the same page. Agree or understand the same thing.
Let's make sure we're on the same page.
How's it going? How are you?
Hey, John, how's it going?
Give it a shot. Try something.
I've never done it before, but I'll give it a shot.
Better late than never. It's better to do something late than not at all.
He finally apologized. Better late than never.
What's up? What are you doing?
Hi, Lisa, what's up?
Long time no see. I haven't seen you in a while.
Wow, long time no see. How have you been?
I'm just chilling. I'm relaxing, doing nothing.
What are you doing?
Nothing, I'm just chilling.
Hang on a second. Wait for a moment.
Hang on a second, I'll be right back.
I'm in a hurry. I need to go quickly.
I can't talk now. I'm in a hurry.
No worries. Don't worry about it.
Thanks for helping me.
No worries.
I'm feeling under the weather. I'm feeling sick.
I'm feeling under the weather today, so I'll stay home.
I'm broke. I have no money.
Can you go to the movies tonight?
Sorry, I'm broke.
Let's grab a bite. Let's go eat something.
I'm hungry. Let's grab a bite.
Piece of cake. Something very easy.
The test was a piece of cake.
Break a leg. Good luck.
You have a big presentation today. Break a leg.
Hit the sack. Go to sleep.
I'm tired. Time to hit the sack.
Bite the bullet. Do something difficult you have been avoiding.
I don't like going to the dentist, but I have to bite the bullet.
Costs an arm and a leg. Very expensive.
That new phone costs an arm and a leg.
Once in a blue moon. Very rarely.
I go to the cinema once in a blue moon.
Under the weather. Feeling sick.
I can't come to work today. I'm feeling under the weather.
The ball is in your court. It's your decision now.
I've given you all the information. Now, the ball is in your court.
Burn the midnight oil. Work late at night.
I have an exam tomorrow. I need to burn the midnight oil.
Let the cat out of the bag. Reveal a secret.
He let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party.
Call it a day. Stop working for today.
It's late. Let's call it a day.
Speak of the devil when someone you're talking about appears.
Speak of the devil. We were just talking about you.
Hit the nail on the head. Exactly right.
You hit the nail on the head with that answer.
Pull someone's leg. Joke or tease someone.
Are you serious or are you just pulling my leg?
On cloud 9. Very happy.
She was on cloud 9 when she got the job.
A blessing in disguise. Something that seems bad, but is actually good.
Losing that job was a blessing in disguise.
It takes two to tango. Both people are responsible.
Don't blame only him. It takes two to tango.
In hot water, in trouble.
He is in hot water for missing the meeting.
Out of the blue, suddenly, without warning.
He called me out of the blue yesterday.
By the skin of your teeth, just barely.
I passed the exam by the skin of my teeth.
Great job listening. You learn new words. Listen again to remember more. See you next time. Please subscribe for more English lessons. Thank you.